Welcome to Parts Portal CMS. Parts Portal CMS is a robust entry-level electronic parts catalog with advanced features. Parts Portal CMS, or Content Management System, is available as software as a service or SaaS. This means you do not have to worry about providing any IT infrastructure. Systems Online has been providing electronic parts catalog solutions for over 20 years. We have worked closely with manufacturers to provide tools that make it easier to satisfy your customers' needs and find replacement parts. Parts Portal CMS makes it easy for your dealers, service technicians, and end consumers to look up replacement parts and place online parts orders. Parts Portal CMS supports direct-to-consumer, direct-to-dealer, and optional routing of consumer orders to your dealer network however you define your channel. When you provide efficient tools that make it easier to do business with you, your satisfied customers will ultimately translate into more whole goods sales. And in turn, more parts sales. Parts Portal CMS supports manufacturer-specific branding and uses your images combined with style sheets to present the image and functionality you want your dealers and customers to see. Manufacturers can decide what features they want to offer to guest accounts or logged-in consumers and dealers. Features can be restricted by user classification. Many manufacturers require that users must register to see their parts data or place orders. Others allow guests full access to their parts catalog and order placement functionality. Let's look at one manufacturer with a publicly accessible catalog and no e-commerce enabled for guest users. Guests can search by model name, serial number, or part number. Searching for the model Ecotech and clicking the search button returns multiple model series and multiple parts. Clicking on a model series returns all the results under that series, allowing the user to fine-tune their results. Selecting a specific model in the series returns that model's illustrations and bills of material along with any other resources that the manufacturer wants displayed when the user selects that model. Selecting an illustration thumbnail displays the bill of material and drawing to the user. The displayed illustration and bill of material parts listing is interactive. Clicking on a callout will scroll the parts list, making the selected part visible if it is outside the viewable area. The parts list can display images and notes icons. The note icon informs the user that more information is available related to a specific part on a bill of material line. Clicking on a part in the parts listing will highlight the callout and scroll the image when necessary to bring a callout into view. The user has the option of navigating using the breadcrumbs at the top of all parts catalog pages. Breadcrumbs can be fixed or allowed to scroll out of view. Selecting a different illustration displays that drawing and parts list on the screen. Zoom tools allow zooming in or out. Selecting parts on the bill of material scroll the callout into position on the zoomed image. Taking another look at the search results, we can see the list of parts that were also returned. One of the parts has an associated image. We can see that part image is a thumbnail. Clicking on See Where Used returns a list of all models where this specific part is used. To navigate to an illustration in the list, click the link. Parts Portal CMS displays the associated parts list. In this parts list we can see the image thumbnails for the parts in the bill of material. Clicking a thumbnail displays the image to the user. This allows users to quickly identify that they have the correct part. Other manufacturers have e-commerce enabled. On the demo screen, an instance of Parts Portal CMS is displayed. Let's sign in. Once the user signs in, any important messages are displayed. These messages are managed in the administration module. Let's click Close to hide the message and perform a part search. Typing a part number and clicking on the part search button will return any parts or illustrations that match the search criteria. On the screen we can see that multiple schematics have been returned as well as 3 individual parts. Clicking on an illustration or on the descriptive text below it will navigate the user to that illustration and related parts list. To view the entire list of illustrations and bill of material that match the search results, the user can click on the Found Schematics link. Scrolling down displays the part search results. On the screen we have 3 parts in the search results. If part images exist for a part, then they will be displayed on the screen in the highlighted area. This manufacturer allows items that do not have pricing to be added to cart. In this case, any item without a price will generate a parts pricing quotation request. Parts are added to the cart by clicking Add to Cart. If a part has a price, it will be displayed above the cart icon. Clicking on any of the part numbers displayed would take us to the parts detail page for a specific part. Let's look at another manufacturer. Menus allow the user to navigate the parts data in addition to searching. The user can drill into the catalog by clicking on thumbnails. Selecting a model displays all available illustrations for that model. The user clicks on the illustration to see the parts listing. The user can zoom in. The user can slide the illustration around the viewable area and can select a part from the parts listing. The user can view a part's image by clicking on the thumbnail. This manufacturer only allows items that have a price to be added to the shopping cart. When items are added to the cart, automatic replacements, supersessions and similar items can be triggered, making sure the correct item is always added to cart or an upsell is performed. Parts in the bill of material can also have parts pages links. Parts pages are important for search engine optimization and depth of content. The user can view all items in their cart by clicking the shopping cart icon. They can update the quantities for specific items in their cart or remove items. Options include continue shopping or checkout. Manufacturers can allow guest checkout and allow users to sign in. Manufacturers can even have closed registration where accounts require approval before they can purchase direct, or require that users sign up and receive an email verification. Once verified, users can finalize checkout. Provide billing and shipping addresses and payment information. Parts Portal supports most credit card merchant settlement providers. Your transactions can be processed through your bank. The administration module provides your company with everything needed to be effective. From adding custom pages using our HTML-free page builder, managing files and menu items, connecting web services for real-time parts availability, and customer-specific pricing, add billing and shipping address data in your business system, reviewing orders that have been placed in Parts Portal CMS and inserted into your business system. All user actions are logged. Every customer search, add and remove from cart, sign in, illustration display. Even every web service request including availability, custom pricing, shipping rate or freight quote requests, and more. Administration also allows configuration of payment methods that can include Merchant-E, CyberSource, Authorize.net, Stripe, PayPal and many more. For many e-commerce implementations, freight can be a loss leader. Parts Portal works to change that. Shipping options include USPS, UPS, FedEx, third-party LTL carriers and custom freight calculations and methods. Parts Portal CMS will calculate optimum box packing with its built-in shipment optimizer. Products and boxes can be classified so only specific parts go in predefined, restricted box types, as well as supporting palletization for large shipments and freight surcharges. Parts Portal is highly customizable according to your business rules. This makes Parts Portal CMS one of the most flexible parts catalogs available. Systems Online is so confident that Parts Portal CMS will cut costs, increase part sales and customer satisfaction that we are the only company in the industry to back each implementation with a 120-day satisfaction guarantee.